Want to create an online store and start making money online? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this video. Let's go. Hey guys, Sam here from Ecommerce.com. Creating a new online store is a massive task and something you're going to have to learn and work at. I know there's an overwhelming amount of information in front of you, but please persevere. It's 100% worth it. I'll cover as best as I can in this video, but I do recommend checking out the other videos on my channel because I make a lot of videos about building your e-commerce store. I'll also leave a link in the description to a playlist that's designed for beginners and those new to online stores and e-commerce. I recommend you start there. In this video, I'm going to recommend a ton of different other videos that I've made, so please check the description. Like I said, they're all going to be listed there with their links. It's all on YouTube. I recommend just binge watching a ton of these. FYI, before we start, e-commerce means electronic commerce, which is basically online stores. Okay, so what is an online store? It's basically a website that sells some sort of physical or digital product. People can go to that website and buy a product. Firstly, you'll need a domain name for your store. I recommend you buy your domain name from Namecheap.com. I've made a bunch of videos on how to buy your domain name from Namecheap and set it up for your e-commerce store. I'll leave a link in the description to Namecheap.com as well as the videos that show you how to set it up with Namecheap. After you get your domain name, you'll also need a website for your store. Here, you'll list out your products and make it so that people can choose a product, add it to cart, and then pay for that with their credit card, PayPal, or any other payment method that you accept. I really recommend Shopify if you're a beginner. Shopify is an e-commerce platform. I'll leave a link in the description to their website so you can sign up and get a free trial. It's really easy to set up Shopify, and I have a full video showing you how to do this. Shopify is great because they have a ton of pre-built themes that you can really easily install and have your website looking great and start selling today. They basically take care of all the hard work so you can get started selling right away. I'll leave a link to Shopify in the description as well as my video on how to set it up for your website. Okay, so now you have your website. Now you need your products. This is a whole topic in itself. My other videos go much more deeper into finding your product, but really you just want to make sure that you have a clear target market and your products solve a problem for that target market. Think about this. Who are you serving? Who are you helping? And how do your products help these people? This also links back with your website, your e-commerce store. Make sure you communicate who you are helping and how you are helping them through your website. Something else you may be thinking is that you don't even need to own the physical products. You don't need to ship a whole pallet of products to your house and then sell them out of your garage. Something really cool is that you can sell someone else's products on your website and then send the order to them when you get a customer. This is called dropshipping and it is very common. Okay, so dropshipping does have its own problems. You can solve them, but just be careful with this one. It can make you a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing. I really recommend that you watch my video on how to build a brand store with Shopify dropshipping. I'll leave a link in the description. Okay, so you have your website, you have your products, now you need traffic. Traffic are eyeballs, people that are looking at your website. Make sure that you have quality people looking at your website. There's no point having 1 million people looking at your website every day if not a single one is your target market, is interested in your products, and are even going to open their wallet, pull out their credit card, and buy products on your store. This is why it's so important to understand your target market and how you're solving their problem. You also don't need to pay for traffic. There are many ways to get traffic to your store without paying for it, but you do need to get a little bit creative and it will take some time. YouTube videos are fantastic. You can also create a blog, build an audience, and build an email list. Paying for traffic is fast, but it costs, and if you're not careful, it can eat out all your margins. Common platforms for traffic are Facebook ads, Google ads, and Bing ads. Once you have your campaigns going and optimized, they can deliver consistent sales and do so profitably. This is amazing for growing your store. The key metric here is your conversion rate. How many people that visit your store actually convert? The stores that I work with that have a very high conversion rate have a very clearly defined target market. they have a specific problem that they're solving, and they communicate this very well on their website. They also make sure that the traffic they're getting to their website are real potential customers. By doing these things, they are able to reduce their costs massively and grow and scale their store very profitably. The average conversion rate in e-commerce is anywhere between 1 to 3%. But these stores that are highly optimized with all these things in line generally have conversion rates from 5 to 12%. This tells us that the traffic is very targeted and the messaging on that website is highly relevant to these people. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Please leave a comment down below if you have any questions about what I've gone through today. If this video was helpful, please leave a thumbs up and tell YouTube that I'm making good content out there for you guys learning how to grow your e-commerce store. If you want to see more videos just like this one, please consider subscribing and check out my channel to learn more about how you can grow your e-commerce store. Thanks again for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.